Hi friends. Don't you just hate it when your iPhone starts acting up? We do, too. That's why we've put together this essential guide to help you fix all the common, and some less common, iPhone issues. These fixes will be quicker than going to an Apple store and waiting for a Genius Bar appointment, and it won't cost you a dime. In this video we'll look at, and tell you how to fix your iPhone that won't turn on or the one that is stuck on the logo screen. To fix the issue, please try a force restart that is Anchor Link. If that doesn't work, try charging it for an hour while making sure you check that the USB cable and plug are working, as well as ensuring there's no dust or debris in the phone's charging port. If it still won't turn on, try taking it to an Apple store as it might be a hardware-related issue, such as a completely failed battery. That's all for now. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. See you in next video. Bye.